When I first started YouTube, I honestly thought that my videos were the problem. I was spending hours editing, adding effects, and cutting every second to make it so perfect. But no matter how much effort I put in, nobody was clicking. And then I realized something that completely changed the way I looked at YouTube. It wasn't my content that was the problem, it was my thumbnail. So, in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I make my thumbnail to actually get clicks. And the best part, I actually figured out when I'm under 500 subscribers, because when you look at my subscribers, I'm having 400. So if you're a small content creator right now, this will actually work for you too. And number one is keep it simple. You see, the first big mistake I made was overcomplicating my thumbnail. Like, I thought more was really better. I would throw in a lot of text, random pictures, crazy backgrounds. And honestly, it just looks so messy. Here is the truth. You see, people scrolling on YouTube don't have time to figure out what your thumbnail means. They need to know what your video is about in 1 second or in less. So now, this is now my rules when it comes to thumbnail. One clear image, maximum of 3 words of text, and that is it. You see, because clarity beats echoes. Clearer your thumbnail looks, the more people will actually click your video. Number two is use contrast. The next thing I learned is that your thumbnail has to stand out on the homepage. Think about it. YouTube is packed with millions of thumbnails. If yours bends in, people won't even notice it. They won't even click on it. But if it pops, they will really stop scrolling. You understand? So that's why you need to focus on contrast, brightening your backgrounds, make it bold, easy to read, make your text to be easy to read. And if I use my face, I make sure it's big, clear, and expressive. I want people to feel something when they see my thumbnail. This excitement, this curiosity, even confusion, as long as it makes them stop and think, wait, what's this about? That's the when you've already caught their attention. And number three is test and learn. You see, this step is where things really change for me. I stopped treating thumbnails like decoration. They are strategies. Now, whenever I upload a video, I check the analysis. If the click through rate is low, I don't just give up. I will redesign the thumbnail and actually re upload it. I had one video stuck at 30 views for a week. I swap out the thumbnail, the same video, nothing else changed. And within a few days, the views doubled. You see, that's when they clicked for me. Thumbnail are key that actually unlock the doors. The content keeps people watching, but the thumbnail decide whether they even enter in the first place or not. And here is the bonus tip, which is copy what works. Look at what is already working in your niche. I don't mean copy thumbnails, but study them. When you see a thumbnail that is according to your niche, what you have to do is to study them. What colors do the top creators use? Do they use faces or just a text? Do they keep it super minimal, or do they add both elements? You see, if you see patterns again and again, it's not by accident, it's because viewers respond to it. Take those ideas, make them your own, and apply them to your channel. So even with under 500 sub, I was able to make thumbnails that actually get clicks. And here is the recap. Keep it simple. Use contrast so your thumbnail will actually stand out. Test and learn from the analysis. Study what's already working in your niche. If you follow those steps or these steps in your channel, you will finally start to get noticed. Not because the algorithm magically loves you, but because people actually want to click. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, do well to drop a like and also subscribe if you want more tips on growing your YouTube channel? Then let me know in the comments, what is the hardest part about making thumbnails for you right now? I would like to hear you from the comment section, your thoughts. So see you in my next video.